FC गोवा खडेगाठ बेंगळुरू FC आड मॅचीत हॅट्रिक मारपी फेरान कोरोमिनास कितल्या उंचेल्या दर्जाचो स्ट्रायकर हे गोंयकारांनी पळयला. पूण हो स्पॅनिश फॉरवर्ड सामको सादो. ताचे येसाचें सिक्रेट नेमान मन लावन प्रॅक्टीस करप. आयएसएलांत येवन हांगाचे प्लेयर आनी दर्जो पळोवन आपूण पुराय समाधानी म्हूण तो एक्सक्लुझिव्ह प्रुडंटा कडेन उलयलो.
Pues la verdad que sí que tuve la suerte de poder marcar los 3 goles y ayudar al equipo y bueno, la verdad que el equipo estuvo muy bien porque creamos muchas ocasiones y contra un gran equipo que venía de ganar 2 partidos y el Bengaluru tiene muy buenos jugadores y era un partido difícil.
I'm very happy to have scored the 3 goals. The fact that I got a chance to play in front of the home crowd and get off to such a flying start was very pleasing. Particularly to play against a team like Bengaluru, who had won their previous 2 matches and who we feel are a very strong team. To have played well as the team did, and to also get 3 goals personally is we're very pleased with that.
Your composure in front of the goal and the finishing skills are absolutely deadly, and that makes you one of the classiest player to have played in the ISL so far. So tell us about the way that you work on your game, and you're 34, so it's absolutely impressive.
Pues yo la verdad que siempre he trabajado duro en los entrenos y por eso también el físico, que peso poco y eso me va bien para mantenerme bien físicamente. Y delante del portero el carácter que tengo, que soy así tranquilo, también me va bien y bueno, es la manera de trabajar.
To be honest, I've always tried to work very hard in training and give it as much as possible. In terms of my physicality, since I weigh a little less than the other players, it helps me with my mobility and helps me to maintain my shape and my form. And in front of goal, when I have an opportunity, the way I am as a person reflects in my personality in front of goal. I'm very calm as a person, so that's what I try to sort of exhibit when I'm in front of goal as well, and try and take my chances as best as possible.
Coming to the ISL, how do you find the league? You've seen 3 different opponents. How is the intensity and how are the facilities here?
Bueno, primero decir que los estadios y los campos me han sorprendido para bien, que son muy grandes, el césped está muy bien y los equipos los veo bastante igualados todos y bastante competitivos, que ganar un partido es difícil y que todos los equipos te lo ponen difícil.
To start off, I think I'm very surprised and very positively impressed with the way that the pitches and the stadiums are. I didn't expect such level of professionalism. And with regards to the teams that we have played against, I find them all very equal, very competitive teams. Matches are won in small details, and they compete a lot to get those 3 points.
Any special word on how the Goa fans egged you on? Did they play the role of the 12th man in the home game?
Sí, no, sobre todo darles las gracias y decirles que sigan así, que nos animen, porque nosotros en el campo lo sentimos mucho y la verdad que no me esperaba tanta afición y escucharlos tanto, ¿no? O sea que animarles a que sigan así y nosotros intentaremos darles victorias.
I'm very thankful to the fans for having come out and support us in such large numbers. I was very pleasantly surprised with the amount of people that came to Goa. I would request them to continue to keep supporting us because their support really helps us on the field. The amount of noise that they were making, you could really feel it on the pitch. So we hope that they can come out and keep backing us in large numbers for the next few games, and we'll try and give them as many victories as possible.
आयतारा गोंयभर दत्त जयंती मोठ्या भक्तिभावान मनयली. ब्रह्मा विष्णू महेशाची एकरूप त्रिमूर्ती दत्तात्रयाची जल्मतीथ मार्गशीर्ष म्हयन्याच्या पुनवेक येता. गोंयभरच्या दत्त मंदिरांनी सांजे 6 वरांच्या मुहूर्ताचेर धर्मीक विधी आनी भजनाच्यो कार्यावळी सुरू जाल्यो. पळयात सांखळे, ताळगांवां चिंचोळे, म्हापशां दत्तवाडी आनी मडगांवच्या दत्त जल्माचे सुवाळे. हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता. ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट व्हॉट्सॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आणि प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटात. प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करात. नमस्कार.